Kar twech ma Thika noyudo jip kwa kuom doho ma Thika ne jotwech mag-gi tok chwalnegi ongede sabun kod chiemo. Kotelegi kod jang'ad bura Stella Tambo wacho ni ne gitimo kamano ahinya kaluwore kod muoch mar tuo nyaldiema mane obedo kar twech no jumbe 2 mokalo. Jatend kar twech no Karani Limaye karwako konygo kata kamano noywago dhungruok mag jotwech kanyo ahinya kaluwore kod apedha mar math ma ok opuodhi kod mano mag derepe e apeini. Kolero ni kar twech no owinjo bed gi jotwech 300 sani ni kod mabus 1200. Okwayo mondo doho ma Thika ong'i yore mar chiwo rambun nyaka ne jotwech mantie kanyo.
We have come to present to our brothers and sisters, those who are serving sentence and those who are in remand, the items that we sat down and discussed about as a court users committee when there was a cholera outbreak in this institution. And this is the institution that serves us in terms of those who are coming to remand or to serve sentence. So we are here basically after that crisis meeting because we formed a subcommittee that went about, and we were able to collect quite a number of things to facilitate and also to help fight the cholera disease. Most of them are items that facilitate hygiene.
The donations are well received, and they'll go a long way in assisting in curbing maybe not only cholera infections, but improving our hygiene so that we deter any outbreak of any other pandemics. Looking at, like for instance, the motorized machine is really going to assist us here, and even the whole community of the CGS, because if the courts would want to have fumigation in their premises, we'll go and do it from there.